Hey guys, got this Craftsman riding mower here. 15 horsepower OHV Briggs, 42-inch cutting deck, 6-speed. Doesn't run. Long story short, the oil was heavily diluted with gasoline. The engine seemed like it was hydrolocking, so it wouldn't turn over. So I drained the oil, took the valve covers off, cleaned the valves. I actually put a different cylinder head on it, one off another mower. But anyway, it turns over now. So I'm going to try to start it, just, see what it'll do. Let's see. Some carburetor cleaner, just give it a little bit of carburetor cleaner. Choke up, key on, it's in neutral. Let's just see what air. Ain't nothing coming out of there. There we go. Sit this back up on there. Alright, well, solenoid's bad, so I'm going to be hot wiring it. Bad because I had oil all over the muffler, but it runs. Ooh. I did get a lot of oil, spill a lot of oil on that muffler. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's burning off a little oil there. Anyway, the solenoid is junk. So alright, I'm going to put the shroud on securely in. Put some gas in the tank, and we'll see what it does. So alright guys, the mower runs, it cuts, it moves, and it still smokes. It's definitely burning oil. I've got oil all in. Took the muffler off and there's just oil in there. So I'm gonna go with a new head gasket, and hopefully that'll fix it. If that don't fix it, then I'm not gonna put any more into this engine. But we'll try head gasket. So alright guys, did a couple things to the mower. Got a new battery, well, not new, but a good battery in it. Took this engine apart, well, at least got the cylinder head off, and we will be getting our head gasket tomorrow, and we'll put it on, and hopefully that's all the engine will need, and then we'll do a little cosmetic work to it. I'm not going to repaint the whole thing, but we'll I've already repainted this right here. It used to be rusty, but I cleaned it up and repainted it. So didn't do a super fancy job, just sprayed some black on there after I cleaned it up. But this mower deck here, it's kind of rough, so we're sand it, clean it up a little bit, pressure wash it, and then we'll probably repaint the top side of the mower deck. I won't worry about the other side. But alright, I'll update y'all as I move along. Alright guys, next day here. Got a head gasket on it, put a solenoid on it. I have a battery. In it. So we'll see if you're starting running about burning oil. Alright guys, well she's still smoking pretty bad. Well, I do see oil is on that muffler. Anyway, I'll show y'all a little more later. Alright guys, it stopped smoking. So I'm going to start putting it back together. I'm going to put the hood back on, the little fan cover, and the cover that goes over the starter. So, alright. Alright guys, got the tractor put back together here. So, let's start it up. It needs a little throttle. Still need to fix the brakes. And we still need to pressure wash it. do a little carburetor work to it, just, you know, clean the carburetor out. I'll see. Alright guys, we'll get this thing all pressure washed off. Alright guys, well, I'm done with the tractor. I'm not going to work anymore on it. I got it to the point that I want to get it to. I actually swapped, well, I put a new fuel filter on it, and I swapped the carburetor out to a carburetor that does not have a fuel solenoid on it. It's actually the carburetor off of a 12.5 OHV Briggs and Stratton engine. So it runs better now. No surge. Another thing I noticed was that this engine mount bolt here was loose, so the engine was shaking really bad at idle. Just got that fixed. Pressure washed the mower. It's gotten dirty somewhat again because I've ridden it some, but yep. I'll do start up, a little drive, and I'll turn the blades on. Starts right up. Usually don't have to even choke it to start it, even when it's cold. Turn the blades on. Very smooth running Briggs. Alright guys, well, that's going to be it for this one. I might post a video of it mowing a little later, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. See everybody later.